How to start a business using Alibaba. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can start your own business using Alibaba.com. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you might be wondering is, what is Alibaba? Well, Alibaba is a marketplace or a platform where you can source your different products. So it can be products from any category, from apparel, home and gardening, printing and packaging, consumer electronics, vehicle parts and accessories, machinery, sports and entertainment, and all other categories. So you can find products of any sort off of Alibaba, and the main manufacturers on Alibaba are usually present in China. So you might be hearing me talk about how the shipment process from China is going to work and what kind of business model setup you're going to do. Now, you can see that you can choose your suppliers by regions as well, but if you're looking for a cheap supplier for your product, then you most definitely should stick with the Chinese sellers because they're going to give you the lowest prices. But if you're looking to create your business and you want to prioritize instant deliveries, or you want to prioritize work that is going to be done instantaneously, then choose the nearest supplier. So if you're looking to start your business in the US, you can choose USA and only search for US suppliers, but I don't recommend it. It's gonna cost you a lot more as compared to just paying like express delivery on Chinese sellers. It's gonna usually cost you less than hosting directly from the American or other country sellers. Now, how do you get started with Alibaba? Now, I have created my account over here via my email account, and it's a pretty simple process. I'll show you guys just in a second how you can create your account on Alibaba. And the reason that you need to create your account on Alibaba is because you want to actually be able to contact the sellers that are present. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go on to Alibaba.com, and then you're just going to click on the sign up form. Over here you can see I have the sign in, and then you can just click on join for free over here and register your account on Alibaba. So you're just gonna have to add your country and some personal details. Once you enter those, you can now go on to Alibaba and start purchasing different items and contacting sellers. Now, with Alibaba, when you're sourcing products, you need to keep in mind two things. Let's say you're starting your business for women's clothing. So let's just say we're doing women's clothing. So if you're looking to sell women's clothing, you might be wondering, once you're ordering these items, where are you going to host these items? So you have to understand that you either have to opt for warehousing of your own. So if you're looking to start your business and you have the space to keep these products in a physical location of your own, you can do that. Or you can simplify your work by drop shipping. So dropshipping is when you're just going to create your online store, or you're going to sell these products, but you're going to not host them at all. So once someone orders a product from you, you're going to send the order to your supplier in China, and then they will directly ship it to the customer, and you're just going to be the middleman, and you're just going to rebrand or repackage or just rename these items. So you can do that if you don't have any inventory space, if you don't have any warehousing space, but if you can keep warehousing, if you have the space, you can do that. But I would recommend that you should go for drop shipping because it's going to cost you a lot less to drop ship these items instead of hosting them, and it's going to keep the business a lot simple. So once you go for the niche that you're looking to create your business in, let's say we have t-shirts, and let's say I want to start a t-shirt brand. First off, I'm just going to search for t-shirts, and then you're going to see these listings. Now, with these listings, you have the minimum order quantity, and you need to keep this in mind. So this is the minimum order you have to place. You have to buy at least 50 pieces of this t-shirt for the supplier to actually send these orders out to you. You can request samples, but you need to order the minimum amount after you have received the sample and inspected it. So let's say I like this plain custom cotton t-shirt. Now you can see over here that this has a minimum order quantity of 1 piece, but it also has a shipping price of $10 if I order 1 piece. So make sure you keep that in mind when you are looking at these items, because usually they do keep this kind of listing available as well for people that just want to try it out and that don't want to buy wholesale. they do keep this, but you have to pay a higher shipping fee. Now, once you have a item that you like, what you're going to do is you're going to click on contact supplier over here. And now I'm just going to sign into my Alibaba account. So once you have logged onto your account, you're going to see over here that this is going to be the inquiry box. Now you can add detailed requirements for something that you want for this product. Let's say that I don't like the product images and I want some more product images. I can ask them for that. I can add attachments for the type of images that I want, and you can share your business card with your supplier as well. And then you can send your inquiry and they will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Now you can see I already had some inquiries and there are people that have responded. These people do respond pretty nicely, and you need to keep a lookout for your supplier. So if the initial request that you do submit to your supplier is answered very quickly, then it means that your supplier is active. Now, once you have done that, you're going to go onto the overview section of the product, and you can see that there are a lot of details present. If your product does not have details, then it is not a good supplier. You want to change suppliers, and you don't want to opt for a supplier that is doing that does not provide a lot of detail. You want to keep an eye out for fake listings as well. So if you're going to do the dropship model, then you really need to establish a good amount of trust with your supplier before you start dropshipping their items. Now, once you have selected your items, you might be wondering, how do I start selling them? They're already available on Alibaba. What can I do better to sell them? Well, you can create your own store using Shopify.com, or you can use Ecwid.com, or you can even use Wix to create your e-commerce store. So all three of these platforms are great ways for you to get started with your business and start promoting your products. Now, it's very simple to create your Wix store or your Ecwid store, and you can do these two for free. But if you're looking to create your business and expand your business, I would suggest that you should opt for Shopify, because it's going to give you a lot more options, and it is not available for free, but it does provide you with a lot more e-commerce solutions as compared to Wix or Ecwid. But I do think that you should opt for Ecwid if you're just starting out, and you're just going to click on Get Started for free over here. And then you can start listing the products that you're looking to sell that you're looking to purchase off of Alibaba onto the Ecwid store that you create. And with your Ecwid store, you need to start rebranding or repackaging your items. So let's say once you have logged on to your Alibaba account, you can just go on to your orders section over here. And now from here, you're going to actually manage your business. So from your actual dashboard on Alibaba, you can see your messages, you can see your buying leads, you can see all of your orders over here. So you can see I have my order number this, you have your orders closed, initial payments, all of that stuff. Then below that, you have your messages, your buying leads, your order section, any kind of refund requests that you receive, and your coupons. Then you have all of your transactional overviews present over here, your general contacts, all of your lists, so all of your supplier lists are going to be present here, and your trade services that Alibaba provides you. Now, once you have actually started trading on this platform, it's going to be a lot more work on this dashboard rather than on your actual e-commerce website, because you're going to deal with the business side from Alibaba directly. So if you go onto your all orders section, you can see that you're going to find all of your on-time dispatch, your buy status, all of your confirmed to be shipped, unpaid, to be received, in dispute, and closed orders. So you're going to be able to get good analytics with this, and you're not going to be wondering if your orders are dispatched or not. And that just depends on how frequently your supplier is going to update your status. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to start your business using Alibaba. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.